This is the present phase since 2013. This is a phase of energetic global engagement, or you can say assertive global leadership. So it is not only global leadership, it is assertive global leadership. That is, देखो leadership दो तरह से होती है. One, when people are or the countries themselves are acknowledging or inviting you to be a leader. Abhi the international order is such that none of the country would like any other country to be the leader. This is the reason by invite to you can't be a leader. So the only option is through assertion. This is the reason assertive leadership has come up. In current phase, India has shown energetic engagement on multiple fronts due to transitioning geopolitical landscape. So what all we have done, first of all, we come up with reassessing our policy as far as non-alignment is concerned. यानी कि एक आप देखो, इसको आप ब्रेक भी कह सकते हो, इसको कंटिन्यूटी भी कहते हो. जब भी मल्टी अलाइनमेंट बोलोगे, यू वुड ऑलवेज से देयर वाज अ कंटिन्यूटी. अर्लियर नॉन अलाइनमेंट को अब मल्टी अलाइनमेंट कर दिया. सो एज आई टोल्ड यू, मेनी थिंकर्स सेज मल्टी अलाइनमेंट इज नथिंग बट NAM 2.2. Though to a large extent this is not true, but there is one analysis which goes. तो ये तो एक तरह की कंटिन्यूटी है. But a very important break was that we started prioritizing our neighborhood. तो जो 2014 में neighborhood first policy आई है, this is a very important break in our foreign policy, right? क्योंकि इसके पहले we were not much concerned, though we were concerned, but we were not very, the immediate neighborhood was never our priority. So we had in our priority list US also, we had in our priority list Soviet Union also, China also and other countries also. लेकिन neighborhood first policy कहती है नहीं, मेरे लिए सबसे important मेरी neighborhood है, वो भी मेरा immediate neighborhood है, right? So India said something is happening in Bhutan. Last year 2024 में PSIR में question आया है that how China Bhutan land border dispute or border agreement is going to impact India's foreign policy. Right? So मेरे लिए something which is happening in a tiny state like Bhutan is more important rather than something happening in Eurasia.